Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see someone's friend list on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, open your Snapchat app and let's go to this message section. And now we're gonna tap on this search icon on top and search for our friend. So let's say this is a person we would like to see. Now go ahead, tap on the username on top, and if you scroll we're gonna find plenty of options, but we cannot see their mutual friend list because that is simply the privacy settings of the Snapchat itself. We cannot go ahead check out their friend list because that is just they have simply hidden. If they haven't, then you will be able to, but as long as they don't allow, and Snapchat as well don't allow it, so you won't be able to check it out. And that is basically it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.